I'm James Birch, I work with Unilever Food Solutions. I've done for a couple of years, but prior to that I used to work in the educational sector as well. We've got a recipe here to showcase to you from the Accent Catering. Recipe today, Chipotle beef with black bean chili. And we're using the Knorr Professional concentrated powder. This format is perfect for this dish because there's no allergens to declare. It's great for large scale catering and it gives that great flavour base for all those hearty dishes. So the way that we started this dish, we took our beef, we sealed it off in our brat pan just to get some real nice colour onto it. We removed that, saved it to the side, we sauteed off our onions, added in all our spices, put back in the beef as well, bit of tomato, some sugar, and then the best bit, we've got the Knorr concentrated bouillon powder, we've added that into that as well. And then braise that off. It takes a couple of hours to really get that tender sort of beef. And then the hero of the Future 50 ingredients, we used some of the black beans, we soaked them overnight, and we added them the last sort of 40 minutes just to really get that nice braise and reduce down to that great tasting chili. Super tasty dish, really packed full of flavour, popular for everybody, everybody loves the chili. And just simply served with a bit of rice. So we've got some little tacos we've baked off as well. So the biggest challenge in the educational sector is allergens really. You have to cater for such a wide variety of people and it's really to tick all those boxes. And so having a bouillon that is no allergens to declare really sort of helps because you can use it in pretty much all your dishes.